model V913. It's about 700 millimeters in length with all the propellers extended, and we'll try to fly this one in very limited space. I'm not very familiar, very good pilot, helicopter pilot, so let's see how it works. Let's rock and roll. Very big, very bulky, this helicopter. Very bulky. With my planes there at the top. You see some of my RC planes at the top. See my RC planes, I've got the Cessna there. Very tiny planes. Not too bad. Okay, let's land this one now. Let's land it now. Very slow. Roll the throttle. Lower the throttle now. Come on. Very slow. Lower the throttle. Oh, not too bad.